Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Honda Fit door handle. First, you will need to carefully remove the interior door panel. Use a prying tool to release the clips and a Phillips screwdriver for any visible screws. Once the panel is loose, disconnect the electrical connector for the window switch. Then, pull back the plastic cover to access and remove the two 10mm bolts holding the handle in place. Next, focus on the handle's internal mechanisms. You will find two control rods connected to the handle assembly. These rods are typically held in place by small plastic clips. Use a pick tool or a small flathead screwdriver to gently pry open these clips. Once the clips are disengaged, carefully detach both rods from their respective connection points on the handle, ensuring not to bend them. With the bolts and rods disconnected, the exterior handle is almost free. From the outside of the door, gently push the handle assembly outward. There might be a small plastic tab or clip holding it in place, which you can carefully release with a prying tool. Maneuver the handle to clear any remaining obstructions, then carefully pull it away from the door frame. It should come out smoothly once all attachments are released. When reinstalling, reverse the steps. First, carefully align the new handle into the door opening, ensuring it sits flush. Reconnect the two control rods to their proper positions and secure them with the plastic clips. Fasten the two 10mm bolts, then reconnect the window switch electrical connector. Before fully reattaching the door panel, test the handle's operation to confirm everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.